What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tony, and I know I haven't really posted another video since my last one, but just be patient with me, guys. Just bear with me. But today I want to give you guys like a short, little, quick, simple video on how I usually edit my videos, and like on Premiere Pro. Just want to like give you guys a quick little glance of like how I usually go about it and the process that I take and everything. Just something real small, just real quick. So let's jump right into it. Let's go. All right, so boom, gonna import our footages. So boom, raw footages. Let me see, let's start with, I think I'm gonna use this right here. So from right here, let me see, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, actually I'm gonna use this clip right here. All right, so what I do is adjustment layer. Let's create adjustment layer. Drag that on the timeline. Let's drag it. And this adjustment layer is usually for like the minor tweaks, like the exposures, the highlights, contrast, shadows, all that stuff. And what I usually do first, I go inside of the curve section. And then I just make a slight little S-curve. Let me see. Slight little S-curve. See, you can already see the difference. Boom. All right. And then next, let me crank up the exposure, just 0.5. Contrast, I usually leave it at 10. And then blacks, bring it down to -10. All right. So we do that. And then I go down to like color wheels. And then I mess with the shadow wheel right here. The shadow wheel, bring it down. Like I like mine's like around in between like greenish and bluish. That's nice right there. And then this little knob right here, I just bring it down. Just like crush that shadow just a little bit. I like that. I like that a lot. Usually I bring the mid-tones, yellow and orange, make it a little warm, I'm liking how this is looking right now. I'm liking how this is looking. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. So let me bring the saturation up just a little bit, 110. All right, so now that we're done with that adjustment layer, let's bring in another adjustment layer. Boom. This adjustment layer is specifically for the LUTs. Let's go to creative. That's where we're gonna get our LUT from. Click, I'm gonna use Golden Summer. And we bring it down to like 20. Let me see the difference. I like that. I'm gonna keep it like that. All right, I think I'm satisfied with this footage, with how this is looking like right now. Let's do another footage. Let's do, all right, perfect, boom. I'm gonna use this one. All right, let me see. Let me drag this one. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. Drag that adjustment layer on top of that footage. All right, now let's start doing like the minor tweaks. Look at S-curve. Let me bring the exposure up just a little bit. Let's do, all right, 5. Contrast, 10. Blacks, -10. Saturation, 110. Let me see, let's go to the color wheels. I don't know if I want to mess with the midtones. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Not bad. All right, I'm gonna leave it right there. Another adjustment layer, and this is for the LUTs. Should I use dark palm? Let me see how this one looks. I think I might use dark palm. And usually depending on like how the footage look, I might mess with like the shadow tint, highlight tint, but I don't know. I think I like how this one looks right now. Let me see. All right, let's do another footage. Let's do another one. All right, so let's drag this onto the timeline. Boom. So same process, grab that adjustment layer. Wait, where you at? Grab it, boom, put it on top of the footage, drag it. Boom. you guys can see the green. I like that. That's a nice drone shot right there. So now let's play all these footages back. Alright guys, so that's really it. I just wanted to show you guys like a quick little video on how I color my videos. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment. But yeah, see you guys in the next video.